In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude AI with Akave Cloud using MCP. This process will enhance your experience by integrating Claude AI with Akave Cloud, allowing you to utilize the tools and functionalities offered by the MCP server. The steps are straightforward, and whether you're a novice or someone familiar with tech integrations, you'll find this guide comprehensive and user-friendly. We'll begin by signing in to Claude AI. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, as this will be your first step. Navigate to the Claude AI login page, enter your details, and access your account. Once you're logged in, your Claude dashboard will appear, ready for the next step. Next, you want to open the Settings menu. This is where you'll find various configuration options for your Claude AI account. In the Settings menu, look for the Connectors tab. It's typically located in the sidebar or at the top menu, depending on your version of Claude AI. Once you're in the Connectors section, you'll want to select the option to add Custom Connector. This is crucial for linking your Claude AI with external servers like Akave MCP. The interface will guide you through this, providing you with a simple interface to add a new connector. When prompted, enter the URL of your Akave MCP server. It's important to ensure that this URL is accurate and corresponds to your server details. Any errors here could prevent the connection from establishing, so double check to make sure everything is correct. If you're uncertain about the URL, reach out to your Akave Cloud administrator or consult any documentation you might have for the correct details. After entering the URL, you might need to complete some authentication prompts. These are security measures to validate your access to the Akave MCP server. Follow the instructions carefully, as any missteps could hinder the integration process. Typically, this involves entering credentials such as a username and password, or perhaps a token, if that's been provided by your server administrator. Finally, you'll want to save the connector and enable it. There should be a Save button or an option to confirm that you want to use this new connection. Enabling the connector is a crucial step as it activates the communication between Claude AI and your MCP server. If everything has been entered correctly and the server response is positive, your Claude AI should now have the capability to use the tools exposed by that MCP server, opening up a range of functionalities and integrations. And that's it. You've successfully connected Claude AI with Akave Cloud using MCP. Make sure to explore the new tools and functionalities available to you now that your systems are interconnected. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to consult your platform's support or troubleshoot accordingly. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating.